Well, it's Monday, February 3rd, 2025, and we've had some unspeakable weather. It's so warm here for February, and this happens with the La Nina. It seems to be real here in Oklahoma. For the past several years, we've had relatively mild winters. We'll get a snow. We'll get, a couple of inches to 8 inches of snow. The East Coast, man, they're dreaming about this weather that we have here. It's like sometimes it's tropical. It's huge. So we're going to get out here and we're going to take a look at what we've done. We've gotten a little bit done. We got that hip finished up out here, and I'll show that, the construction on that. And then we got the decking. We're going to be putting the decking on today. So I'm going to get outside. Oh, the trials and tribulations of being a carpenter, especially when you're working by yourself. We're going to try a different approach here. The single ladder. This plywood is extra heavy. See the thickness of it and the weight. It's not like a 7/16 sheet. This is a ½ inch, or maybe a little bit more, and it is heavy for one person. Especially 2 people, it's bad enough, especially in this wind. Let's see if we can get one up there this way. Okay, well, I've only got 16 minutes left of recording time. So, from up here, it looks pretty good. Bruce ain't here yet, so I got all this set up. I'm ready to deck. This, like I said before, is some heavy plywood. Heavy plywood.